Hello and good afternoon everyone. Myself Sambhavi Mishra from BBA second semester. Today I am here to tell you about management function by relating it with the cartoon character. Before we start, let us understand about the basics. Firstly, we will discuss about what is management. Management is the art of getting things done through and with the people. Now we will discuss about management function. There are 5 management function. Planning. Planning means thinking in advance. Then there is staffing. Staffing means providing workforce to the organization. It includes recruitment, selection, training, placement, etc. Then directing. Directing means influencing or guiding other employee to achieve the organizational goals. Then organizing. Organizing means arranging and allocating the resources. And the last one is controlling. Controlling means measuring the actual work with the standard and correct the deviation. Now let us discuss all the function in detail. First one is planning. Planning is related with the cartoon character Dexter Laboratory. In this, Dexter always plans before starting his new invention, as same as management. When he gathers all his resources, outlines his objective and make strategies to achieve his goal. However, when his rival DD interrupts, he shows how extended external factor can disrupt plan. A reality manager in business faces too. Now, second is organizing. It is related with the cartoon series Scooby-Doo. In this, all the team members divides their role efficiently, same as management, where all the work and responsibility is allocated and arranged to achieve the collective goals of the organization. The third one is staffing. Staffing is related with the cartoon character The Simpsons. In this, a character named Mr. Bernard or constantly focus on hiring a people. Just like management, he trained, recruit and the right talent in his Springfield nuclear plant. The fourth one is directing. Directing is related with the cartoon series The Powerpuff Girl. In this, the Powerpuff Girl get direction from the professor and the mayor to save the town's valley. Just like management, where manager gives the direction to the employee to achieve the organizational goals. Now, the controlling. Controlling is related with the cartoon series Tom and Jerry, where Tom constantly tries to control the Jerry by setting traps or observing their moves, often after failing multiple times. This shows that controlling is a continuous process, so manager will continuously check to achieve the organizational goals. Now the conclusion part. These cartoon characters help us to understand these managers' function in a very interesting and engaging way. These characters also reflect the lesson of the management, from Dexter's planning to Scooby teamwork, from Simpson staffing to Powerpuff Girl direction and Tom's controlling. These all characters reflect how management is necessary in our everyday life. Thank you for listening me. The motto of this video is to understand everybody that the management function exists everywhere from real to real.